time with.
Yeah, excellent.
Go sit down. Go back to your seat. Josh, that's definitely the idea. You're getting the motion and the line. That's the way.
I'm not getting emotion in line.
Anybody else want any sheets from the art show?
And this is it. Dude, do the bird.
I am Bird.
No, do the bird. I can't believe it.
He's choking.
Sing Justin Bieber.
In a bird voice. No, do it in a bird
Sing
voice.
Justin Bieber.
Do a bird voice. Do you cuss? Are you Elmo?
Dost thou even hoist?
What?
Why are you talking old English?
Do the bird.
You were literally saving him the whole time.
You want taping him now?
Dance like a pig.
It's like he gets on.
Which is your picture? This one?
Get out of the picture, gorda.
Do you even lift? Do the bird, do the bird.
That's the bird. Can you do the SpongeBob? No.
Say the bird.
Dance like SpongeBob.
Jessica.
I only have 2 legs.
Squidward has 4.
Okay, then dance like Squidward.
Do not.
No, Mr. Krabs.
No, Mr. Krabs has claws.
What is it? Steve, eat your pencil. They didn't go in your mouth. You have to bite them. You have to bite them and eat them alive.
Steve, do you even lift?
Dost thou even hoist objects against gravity?
What are you, Isaac Newton?
Newton.